and she sported the colours white, orange and green. A young British soldier was passing that day, and he spied a fair maiden with colours so gay. He rode alongside her, jumped from his machine, and he tried for to capture the flag of Sinn Féin. You'll not get these colours, the fair maiden said. You'll not get these colours until I am dead. I'll fight at Glenside, it remains to be seen, and I'll die for my colours, white, orange and green. 'Twas early next morning in Tipperary town, from the gay Garty mountains this young maid came down. She was sick in her heart, it was plain to be seen, for they